Welcome to this presentation on purchasing through Odoo. Odoo is a fully integrated suite of applications. So, purchasing module is completely connected to inventory and finance modules or apps. So, with Odoo, you can run your purchasing, send purchase orders directly to your vendors, or you could also choose to send purchase requisitions to your vendors. And once the purchase requisitions come in from the vendors, you could then convert them into purchase orders. You could also send one purchase requisition to multiple vendors, which I will like to show you today how that's done. So this is called a purchase agreement in Odoo. So first you create your purchase agreement where you're going to configure what are the number of items you require, and you can choose these items from your existing inventory or items, or you could create items on your own on the fly. And once you have this items which you want to order and the quantities of the items that you want to order through your suppliers, you need to save this purchase agreement. So this purchase agreement would then be sent out to different vendors, and they would send their purchase requisition, or they would send their best quotes for you to decide on the vendor that you would be looking for. So once you've done this template for a purchase agreement, you can now send out quotes to multiple vendors through email. For example, let's choose three vendors and send out quotes request for these vendors. So we could choose the vendors from your or create new vendors, and you choose this template, so it will already have the item that you want to get a quote from, and you could send this by email. So Odoo will give you a format which you can use, and it would send an attachment with this quote to the vendor. So we done one vendor. Now we could do more of these vendors by creating new request for quote. So we can choose another vendor, send off the email. Quote goes out to third vendor. So now you will find that Odoo has automatically created request for quote to the vendors. So you can see that Odoo has created these requisitions, and now once the vendors reply back, you could then choose the right code for your company. I just show you an example of how the vendors would receive this purchase code for quote. So over here, for example, they would get this email. So the vendor would get a email from you, and he could actually click on that email, and he could fill in his best price. And once he has done that, It would come to you on Odoo. So you can see that this quote has come back. So similarly, you would get the other quotes coming in from the other vendors. So then you could choose the best quote to place your order and press the confirm order button, which would just send out um, an email confirming this quote to your suppliers. Once the supplier has sent you, you could see that the supplier sends you the items, then you can receive it into your inventory. And so basically, this is how you would use Odoo for purchasing. So if you'd like to know more about Odoo and other applications Odoo, we would be happy to give you another demo on the different aspects of Odoo. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.